Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Men's Waxing Kit is probably one of the most convenient and cost-effective ways to achieve smooth, hair-free skin from the comfort of your own home, but with so many different kits available on the market, choosing the right one can be tricky. This video will cover everything you need to know to select the best home waxing kit for your needs, from understanding different wax types and application methods to ensuring a safe and effective waxing experience. Number 5. Tress Wellness Kit. Get ready for smooth, confident skin with our complete at-home waxing kit. It's everything you need for a flawless waxing experience, all in one convenient package. This kit has been featured on CBS, ABC, NBC, and Cosmopolitan. See why everyone's talking about it and achieve salon-quality results at home. It includes a digital wax warmer, scented wax beads, applicators, pre- and post-wax sprays, protective collars, and a helpful guide. Everything you need for a perfect wax is right here. We prioritize your skin's health. It's been dermatologically tested and certified safe for even the most sensitive skin types. Waxing has never been easier. It comes with an easy-to-follow guide and access to our tutorial app, Maxpearl, with videos from licensed estheticians. It's tough on hair but gentle on skin, making it ideal for sensitive areas like a Brazilian or underarm wax. Achieve salon-quality results from the comfort of your home. What we like. It features a user-friendly design and a digital display for precise temperature control. If you're a beginner or have sensitive skin, this kit is perfect for you. Its gentle formula and easy-to-follow instructions make at-home waxing simple and comfortable. What people say. I have been waxing myself with ease. I personally use the wax beads, but the wax that comes with this was great too. I wax my legs and underarms. My leg hair has gotten so fine that I don't notice it for 4 to 6 weeks until I catch a glimpse and realize it's time. This was on sale but would have been worth it at full price. So easy to use and it works. I use it on my bikini area and my legs. Bikini was a lot easier than I thought. First hard wax that doesn't break and takes a lot of hair off. The pot works great as well. Keeps it warm and melted throughout the whole waxing process. Number 4. KoluaWax Hard Wax Beads. It's designed for precision, tackling even coarse hair for a clean finish. Say goodbye to painful waxing experiences. This versatile formula works on various body parts, from your face to your bikini line. It's perfect for full-body hair removal. It's formulated with sensitive skin in mind, minimizing discomfort for a soothing waxing experience. Enjoy smooth, irritation-free skin. The kit includes 1 pound of wax beads and 10 applicator sticks, everything you need for a professional waxing session at home. It provides up to 6 weeks of smooth skin. Get salon-quality results from the comfort of your own home. What we like. This kit is specially designed to tackle coarse hair effectively, while remaining gentle on the skin. If you have coarse hair and want a versatile solution for various body parts, this is the ideal choice. It's efficient and minimizes discomfort, making waxing less daunting. What people say. It has a better application than most of the other hard wax I have used. Use this in a basic warmer at 135 to 140 degrees. As a hairy guy I self-wax my legs, butt, and genitals. Does a great job with very little pain irritation and gets most of the hair out in the first pass. This is by far the best I have used. The warm wax doesn't even burn the skin when applied. It removes coarse hair excellently. Number 3. Verde Wax Kit. Skip the salon and enjoy a relaxing waxing experience in the comfort of your own home. This complete kit provides everything you need for salon-quality results. Melting the wax is simple, just pour the beans into the warmer and turn it on. The kit also includes applicators and soothing skin sprays for a complete experience. It's formulated with fragrant, hypoallergenic hard wax beans that are gentle, even on sensitive skin. Enjoy smooth, silky skin without the guilt. Waxing minimizes redness, ingrown hairs, and irritation. Plus, it removes hair from the root, delaying regrowth for weeks. Say goodbye to messy razors and creams. With 1.1 pounds of scented wax beans, it's a thoughtful gift for anyone who loves self-care. What we like. It's incredibly easy to use and provides long-lasting results. If you're looking for a convenient and effective way to achieve smooth skin for weeks, this is a great option. The gentle formula ensures a comfortable waxing experience for all skin types. What people say. It's pretty easy to get the warmer set up and to get the wax melted and then cooled to a good working temperature. For me 180 was about perfect for my legs, I used for my armpits on 160. The best way I found to apply the wax was against the hair growth and then to flip the stick over and using the wax on the back side of the stick and smooth it back in the direction of hair growth, seemed to make sure when the wax cooled that it had a good grip on the hairs, and got more complete hair removal. Definitely make sure that you use the before and after sprays. The pre and after wax sprays are cooling and non-irritating to the skin. I will share the steps I take shower and exfoliate, put all sprays on rounds to apply one. Use the included pre-wax spray 2. Cover the area in a thin layer of cornstarch 3. Wax thick layers in the direction of hair growth 4. Wax thin layers going against the hair growth 5. Use the included after wax spray. Number 2. Lifestance L2 Wax Kit. Waxing at home can be intimidating, but this kit makes it easy. It includes everything you need for a smooth, salon-quality experience, from the digital warmer to the wax beads and soothing oils. This wax warmer features a precise digital temperature control. Get the perfect wax consistency every time, whether you're a beginner or a pro. Experience the luxury of jasmine-scented wax beads. These high-quality beads provide superior hair removal, leaving your skin incredibly smooth. This kit is perfect for all your waxing needs. From legs and arms to underarms and bikini lines, it provides a comprehensive solution for smooth, confident skin. We've included special pre- and post-wax treatments to soothe and calm your skin. These will help minimize irritation and leave your skin feeling pampered. We stand behind the quality of our product. That's why it comes with a 5-year care plan, giving you peace of mind and long-lasting value. What we like. This kit prioritizes ease of use and precise temperature control, making it perfect for beginners. If you appreciate a user-friendly design and high-quality wax beads for optimal results, this kit is for you. The kit's comprehensive design and clear instructions make at-home waxing less intimidating. What people say. It comes with basically everything you need. Waxed my armpit and it got mostly all hairs in one strip. Roots came out and all. The best part for me is that it wasn't as painful as other waxes I've used. Easy to use. Quick and clean and small and so efficient. The sprays are so nice and make waxing a breeze. Small and compact, but man, this whole kit kicks ass. Number 1. Maxpearl Wax Kit. This complete kit lets you create a professional waxing experience right at home, saving you time and money. It includes a digital wax warmer, multiple wax formulas, and all the application tools you'll need to get started. The digital warmer provides precise temperature control, preventing overheating and ensuring a comfortable waxing experience. With different wax formulas included, it's suitable for all skin types and hair textures, from fine to coarse. Formulated with natural ingredients, it minimizes irritation and discomfort, making it suitable even for sensitive skin. It removes hair from the root, providing long-lasting smooth skin for up to 8 weeks. The fast heating element melts wax quickly and evenly, saving you valuable time. What we like. This kit boasts a digital wax warmer with precise temperature control and multiple wax formulas for different hair types and skin sensitivities. If you value speed and efficiency in your waxing routine, this is the perfect choice. The fast heating element saves you time, while the variety of waxes ensures a tailored experience. What people say. When I say this was so much easier than other waxing kit, I mean it. Less pain, lots of supplies and very good results. Just used it last night on upper lip and chin. Works great. I melted beads completely, then turned off. Waited a bit and back on to 125 temp. I highly suggest to get it thick enough on area you are waxing. Waited the 40 seconds and then boom, all hairs are gone. First, I've had this warmer for over a year, and it's still going strong. It does exactly what it needs to do, which is to consistently heat wax beans to your desired temperature. The unit itself is mostly plastic, and to be honest, it feels a little cheap. The newer kits come with a digital temp readout, which mine doesn't have. It's not the quickest to warm up, but it does deliver consistent heat. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.